In the battle to save money, having an air strategy is always a good move. Let's talk first about movement. Ceiling fans in your home should turn clockwise at a low speed in the winter. This motion and the angle of the blades create a gentle upward draft that forces heat that naturally gathers near the ceiling to circulate back down to where it benefits you and your family most. Another important component of your conditioned air is the moisture it contains. While humidity is your enemy in the summertime, it can be your friend in the winter, helping the air to retain more heat. If you have humidifiers, run them. This could be standalone units or a function built into your furnace. Take other passive opportunities to add moisture to the air, like opening your dishwasher instead of letting it run a full drying cycle and releasing that moisture into your home. Also, leave bathroom doors open or ajar during showers to allow that warm, moist air to benefit the rest of the house.
Speaking of frenemies, that sun you tamed in the summer can be harnessed in the winter. On sunny days, open blinds or curtains in the daytime to allow the natural sunlight to add heat to your home. Close them up again at night to keep it from escaping. You can shore up the heat retaining efficiency of your windows while still letting the light come into play by applying plastic window film. This easy application of a taut plastic barrier will dramatically reduce drafts and heat loss through these important features of your home. Window sealing kits are available at home improvement and hardware stores for $10 to $15 each and come in a variety of sizes to fit almost any window. Installation is quick and easy, and the result is very effective.
Time to bust out the layers. This strategy is twofold: personal layers and decor layers. The simple addition of a cardigan or pullover and socks or slippers will always amp up your personal comfort while allowing you to keep chilly fingers off the thermostat. The more you can resist the urge to crank up the heat, the more you'll save. Echo these layers in your decor. Add readily available throws and blankets to your living spaces for extra coziness. Consider adding insulated curtains if you have a problematic window. Put flannel sheets on beds for that extra layer of comfort, softness, and warmth. And don't forget to use rugs on wood or tile floors where chilly toes land in the morning.
A great defense against the cold is closing the gaps. Armed with the appropriate type of caulk or filler product, take a walk around the exterior of your home and seal up gaps, cracks, or leaks where heat may be trying to escape or cold is trying to get in. This could include areas around windows, doors, foundations, basement entries, or other areas where different types of construction materials meet. Back inside, pay special attention to windows and doors. If you have windows and doors to the outside that are typically unused, use rope caulk to seal all the way around. This flexible caulk can be easily removed if you needed to use the door for access or emergency. Check window panes and sashes for sturdy seals and fit. Add caulk or weather stripping material where needed to prevent drafts. Door sweeps can be easily installed to prevent heat loss underneath, or you can use ready-made fabric draft stoppers, or even simpler, a rolled up towel or blanket.
Our final strategy involves providing every advantage you can to your furnace in order for it to operate at peak efficiency. Your furnace works hard. Don't make it work harder. Change out the filter so airflow into the unit is as effortless as it can be. With a forced air furnace, make sure all of your registers are open, even in rooms that experience less use. Your furnace was designed to heat the whole house space, and excluding areas can cause hot or cold pockets that disrupt overall comfort. Move furniture away from vents and registers so it doesn't impede air moving into or out of the system, and vacuum vents to remove obstructing dust or debris. While the goal is to not constantly notch up the thermostat, a programmable or learning thermostat that adjusts temperature up and down in consideration of time away from the house or time sleeping can contribute to your overall energy savings. A 5 or 10 degree difference over a matter of hours each day could save you 10 to 12% on your bill.
While these suggested strategies are largely low or no cost to you, if you feel you have bigger issues to tackle, you can invest in a home energy audit to identify and repair specific problem areas. This could result in some shoring up of insulation or other higher cost items, but may be worth it in the long run if you've been experiencing high energy bills.
We realize that some customers may also need assistance with existing or upcoming bill payments. For more information on your options, visit AlliantEnergy.com and click on Bill Pay Options to explore energy assistance resources.